So I got the awning, whatever it is, taped off here now. The body. I was gonna go throw some flat white on it. Only 3 of them are gonna be the red. Found out my red that I was gonna use is a glossy red. Like, oh no. I don't know if I want to use that red. See it? No. There's the white, but I don't know if I want to use that on there. I want a flat red. So I got the white painted last night, yesterday. Yeah, came out pretty good, and I got the taped off here now, the red taped off. I tried a different color reds. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's the brim, little thing sticking out. Call it the awning or whatever you call it. Got it taped off. I'm gonna throw some red on it. Where the hell it went? So that's on top of a gloss red, which I was originally gonna do as like a dark maroon. I didn't know it was gonna be red. I mean, red. I didn't know it was gonna be dark. Oh my god, I can't even talk. I didn't know it was gonna be shiny. To me, I thought it was gonna be like matte like this, you know. That would be cool, but no, it ended up being really shiny. So this is almost just as dark. Can't tell with the can, but I think it'd look nice on there. I hope so. I got it taped off on the inside, so just that little square piece is gonna be red. I hope. So, all right. Wish me luck. I got to do the C here. I got to redo it. I painted it white, but the back part where it glues on, it was almost in focus for a second. I took that ridge down with my knife. It was such a bad ridge all the way along here sticking out. It was off center a little bit, and now I got to repaint it white, and then I can tape it off. It's supposed to be from here, that edge right there, back is supposed to be white, and then here is supposed to be red. Part of the picture on here. So, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I put way too much on, way too fast and thick. But we'll see what happens. I don't want to hang it up like that way too far. I'm going to have to drip out this way. But, I was going to say, don't you just love watching paint dry? Wish I had crushed red velvet. Not flat. Thought my paint was running, but it was only running really on the tape part of it mostly. But I got way too much paint on there. I hope it turns out. But, all right.